Hey guys, this is a short video about the new taillight that I got for my Yamaha R6 2018. I got it by the Asian site AliExpress. It was around, I think, 40 euros. And it was available in 3 colors: red, transparent and this light smoke that I got. It looks exactly the same like the original one, but this one has integrated turn signals, like you see. And now a short installation video. First you remove these 2 screws. Unplug this rubber and then you see the main connector and remove that one. I removed the 2 push pins on the bottom side, and now you can easily remove the taillight. Last time, by the removal of the license plate holder, the factory one, I got these adapters from the TST Industries, like the new license plate holder. But you can use all turn signals, cut them, I would say here, and then connect them manually with the new taillight. The new taillight, you put it just easy in, then you put down the 2 push pins and connect it. And now let's see if it works. The engine is turned on. Brake light works. Now let's see the left turn signal and the right turn signal. Now both. Perfect. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe. A major update is coming in the next weeks, so stay tuned for this series.